Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a tech stock I think we've never looked at before on this channel, but it's interesting, this one, because we're currently in a trading area and the stock is called Cloudflare and there's quite a bit of opportunity on this chart. So let's take a look at it. Let's go. So we are now on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register completely for free and then you get updates, going forward about Cloudflare and other stocks and cryptocurrencies. Today we want to take a look at the tech stocks section and we take a look at Cloudflare. I want to take a look at the long-term chart first. It gives an idea of where we might be heading here on this chart. And this is quite an interesting chart because, as you can probably see, there is quite a bullish outlook. And the long-term targets start at $483. So that means the third wave here, which might be unfolding already, at least this is our expectation. You can see that with an alternative perspective, or based on our alternative scenario, with a 32% probability, this wave 2 is still unfolding. But overall, primary scenario suggests that this wave 2 already bottomed. And as long as we're holding that $39.90 level, this is our perspective that this third wave to the upside should be unfolding. And as I said, medium, or let's rather call them long-term targets, they show 400, sort of 480 plus. So this is important, and there is a key breakout point, or key level here around $221, which needs to be broken on the long-term chart. Again, primary expectation is that this wave 2 bottomed after wave 1 topped in an impulsive structure. We had this wave 2 corrective pullback, and we could have started the third wave, and the smaller time frame will show you now where we are, on the micro level, because there is another opportunity. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. This gives you an idea about the micro patterns that are unfolding, gives you more detail and a trade setup. So what you can see here on this chart is, again, the key invalidation point for the larger time frame at $39.90. Then we have sort of a key support area here around 63 to sort of 66, 67 USD. So obviously we need to stay above this June high to keep the expectations alive that blue wave 2 already bottomed. Then you can see here that if blue wave 2 bottomed, and again, this is on the micro level. So bear in mind, we had this larger degree wave 2 that bottomed on the long-term chart. Then here blue wave 1 of an even larger third wave topped. Then this wave 2 likely bottomed already here in our trading area, which is an opportunity. I mean, this is typically where Elliott wave traders would look for an entry point in these trading areas, here highlighted in blue. This is sort of a key support area, and you can read this all. We have a written analysis on our website and it gives you all the key levels. You can look at the chart and so on. So if you're interested, make sure you register, and then we will keep you up to date about this chart. And the expectation is now that blue wave 2 already bottomed, that this here is another 1-2 setup where you can see green A, B, C in this sort of orange wave 2 correction. It's a flat correction, and expectations are also here that this blue wave 2 bottomed, and very shortly we could start a third wave rally to the upside. This would be expected to happen before breaking below the lower boundary line here of the blue trading area, but we'll see. I mean, again, this is the preferred scenario. There are no certainties, but this is the expectation. Then a third wave rally could lead to a major rally because it would be a third wave of a third wave. Okay, so we have the larger degree trend, which is up, and also the smaller degree trend is up based on this 1-2 setup. Now, interesting is that even in a more bearish, let's say, okay, maybe not bearish, but in the alternative scenario where the wave 2 is still unfolding, we're also watching for a rally. Okay, which could then be a B wave rally. So trend seems to be up. There is some opportunity there. And especially given the long-term potential, I think it's quite an interesting tech stock to look at. So I wanted to show it to you today. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about these stocks, tech stocks, cryptocurrencies, then you can register on our website. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks you want me to cover in videos this week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.